Welcome to the study guide for the Project Management Professional Exam. This CBT covers all topics that you should prepare for that might be on the PMP exam. As we move through the topics, you'll see a pattern to this study. First of all, I'll walk you through descriptions and explanations of the topics. Next, I'll highlight key information that's important for the exam and will give you a real-life example for applying that information. Last, you'll have a short test of the topic with answers provided at the end to test your understanding of that topic. The Project Management Institute is the world-recognized organization for setting standards for project management practices. The organization began offering the exam and certification in 1984. As you may know, there's a qualification process that you must submit to in order to sit for the exam. This involves summarization of both your education and your work experience as it relates to project management. The application can be completed and submitted to the PMI on their website at www.pmi.org. Look under the Professional Development and Careers tab for information on the certification procedures and requirements. There's 200 questions posed on the exam, and only 175 of those questions are scored, and you must answer 141 of those questions correctly. The exam is not based on your memorization of the subject matter, but more of how you apply the principles in given situations. Thus, memorized material is not the only key to success in the exam. All subject matter in this CBT is an integrated approach covering the material that may be on the exam. The exam can change at any time without prior notice and at PMI's discretion. I would advise that you read the PMI website to stay abreast of the most current exam objectives. The first section, the introduction, is a general description of the subject of project management. We'll examine some definitions of not only project management, but also the related topics. These other topics have some sort of impact or influence on the project manager's role. The remaining items on the list will be covered in detail. These topics include creating the project charter and preliminary scope statement, planning and the knowledge areas, directing and managing project execution, monitoring and controlling project activities, and closing your project. So let's get started.